This video will cover the steps to assemble Graco's Sense2Soothe swing with cry detection technology. All of these steps can be found in your user manual. To begin assembling the seat, insert the tube on the rear of the frame into the opening in the base. Check that the button is visible as shown. Ensure the snaps on both sides of the seat are in place. To assemble the toy bar, begin by inserting the toy's ribbons into the slots on the toy bar. Insert the toy bar into the opening in the seat. Check that the toy bar is securely attached by pulling up on it gently. The toy bar can rotate. To remove the toy bar, press the button on the base of the toy bar. Wiggle it and gently lift away from the seat. To attach rocker to swing base, hold rocker by handles on seat ends and attach rocker to mount on swing base. To use as a rocker, first locate the rocker release lever located at the front of the rocker. Then pull up on the lever, tilt the front of the seat up, slide the seat backwards slightly, and lift the seat right off the base. Seat can face front, back, left, or right. To recline rocker, squeeze button on rocker handle behind toy bar to adjust recline position. There are 3 recline positions. To use wall plug, attach to outlet in swing base. You have now successfully assembled your Sense2Soothe swing with cry detection technology.